Case against a popular Georgia karate coach took an unexpected turn today with a shocking disclosure of another alleged victim. This high-profile case pits 7 former karate students against PAC's karate instructor Craig Peeples. Now, those alleged victims say that Peeples molested them when they were children. Peeples has denied those charges. Today, his attorney claimed that Peeples has taught thousands of students and said there should be more victims if the allegations were true. An attorney for the plaintiff says that should open the door to another accuser whose claims date to 2016. We have a lot more on this story on firstcoastnews.com.